Hi guys, this is my final video on this trip to Puerto Morelos. So please look through the whole video because there is a surprising conclusion that Jeanette and I have arrived at the end. So thanks guys, enjoy the video. When we visit a foreign country, we'd absolutely love to meet the local people. And one of the best ways of doing that in Puerto Morelos was riding the colectivo as we did here. While we did take taxis occasionally, of course, we found the people on that bus so refreshingly polite. It was just a great experience. Deep sea fishing, what a hoot. Jeanette actually came along, despite the fact that she does get seasick out in the ocean. First of all, deep sea fishing is not allowed inside the reef, so we had to go beyond the reef. First getting our bait and then proceed into the deeper waters, where we did bottom fishing and not trawling as I originally expected. It was a great experience that we recommend to anyone visiting that part of Mexico. Believe it or not, while we all caught fish, Jeanette actually caught the first one. Sorry, I don't have any footage of the actual event because I couldn't handle both the camera and the fishing rod. Oh my goodness, look at that. So this is Mauricio, guys. He took us fishing today. And we caught, how many fish we got today?
12 fish.
12 fish. And what type we got?
We got snapper and
Snapper?
we got jackfish.
And jackfish.
Yeah.
So we're going to look forward to eating that tonight and the next few days. So thanks to Mauricio. I will put his telephone number. If you're ever in Puerto Morelos, this is the man you have to see.
Thank you.
Okay?
Yeah.
Take care. Thank you.
But every call me Leo.
Oh, Leo.
Yeah, for more easy. Yeah. You remember more easy? Yeah.
Okay, so we'll call you Leo.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Don't close on me.
Very nice.
Salud!
Salud, salud. We're getting a drink. How was this coming?
I am Leo. I am your friend, man.
Okay, guys, I want you to meet a special person in Puerto Morelos. Her name is Elisa, and she's located in her shop on Port Side near the Shidwawi or supermarket, which is nearby. So when you come to shop, pop in to see Elisa. Elisa, tell me a little bit about yourself. You're not born in Mexico, you've been here for a while. Tell me a little bit about yourself. Where are you from?
Actually, I'm original from Belize. I came here 12 years ago. due to our circumstances, my husband passed away, and I came here to work. And then I bring my kids with me, and I've
they're
been
great
here.
kids. I've met them.
Yeah, they're big now. They're working, and they're here with me. So I'm here.
Yes, and her shop is really nice. She's got a lot of beautiful artifacts and mementos and it's clothes and everything here that you need when you're on holiday or to take back home. And tell me about the merchandise here. Is it made locally?
Well, all what I have here, most of all the things I have here, I go to buy it in the villages. I take my time to go and buy and bring it from there. I see our Mayan people that they live in the villages, how they do it, how they process it. I buy it from them and bring it here for sale.
Yes, wonderful.
To our tourists.
Yeah, wonderful, because it's authentic Mexican.
Yeah.
Authentic Yucatan, and as you say,
Yes,
Mayan.
yes.
So that is wonderful because it's very hard to find in most places internationally something that is authentic from the local. It's
Yes.
mostly produced, mass produced in another country,
Yeah, we
but
have
not
like
here.
our dresses, you
Yeah.
know, those are handmade by Mayan ladies. This one that is in white, this is fish bone and resin. They recollect the fish bone here, they grind it and they mix it with the resin, and that's how they make all these beautiful things.
Yeah.
What I have on the top is talavera. Talavera is something that is cooked 12 times in oven,
Yes.
and then they it's lead free, and also it's 350 degrees. You could cook, bake, dishwasher, nothing happens.
Wow, well, that's really good. Now tell me something about your herbs and the skill that you've learned. I think from your father, did you say?
Okay, my father, his name is Cesar Pinelo. He is almost 70 years old, and he have like 53 years old being a bone fixer. And this is what I learned from him, curing the people, help them if they have any kind of sickness. What we do is we have our own herbs that we make for our people, and that's how we cure.
All natural.
With herbs, yeah.
Oh, and you helped Jeanette when she hurt her hand.
Yeah.
And she
She
recovered
twists
pretty
her
quickly.
hand, yes.
That's right, yes.
Yeah, we make a authentic herb here for her, and we put it in her
Yes.
in her hand.
So guys, I just want you to know a little bit about Elisa. When you come to visit the Yucatan and Puerto Morelos, do come and see her and help also support the local people in this area, which is a lovely thing that we all like to do when we visit this country. So thanks for watching, and thank you to Elisa for giving me a few minutes of her
Thank
time.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
In La Colonia, we found Tulipan restaurant owned by Chef Octavio Ibarra. His experience in the culinary arts has led him to work for major hotels, restaurants, and casinos in the USA, including Four Seasons, Valley Forge Casino as well. He also cooked at private events for Joe Biden. The products were excellent. We loved it there and will return when we come back to Puerto Morelos. Here's a picture of him. Hi guys, as you can see I'm sitting poolside where we live in Puerto Morelos to do the final part of my last video from Puerto Morelos. One quick point that I want to mention is about the accommodation we found. There is something for everybody in Puerto Morelos. If you want to stay by the beach, there are varying types of accommodation and pricing, but we prefer to stay out in La Colonia, which is only a 10-minute or less taxi ride to the beach, where, for example, where we stay in here in Palma Grande, the standards are what we are more accustomed to in Canada. And now the conclusion that I alluded to at the beginning of this tape. Jeanette and I have decided, God willing, we'll holiday in Europe for the summer. We'll go to beautiful St. Lucia in the spring, but come winter time when it gets cold in Canada, we're coming to Puerto Morelos. We love it so much down here, especially the people. So we highly recommend Puerto Morelos, which will no longer remain the dormant, quiet fishing village that it once was. It's going to grow. So come down here before it gets as big as Cancun and Playa del Carmen. Thanks for watching. And guys, if you don't mind, give us a thumbs up so it helps the channel, and share the video with whomever you like. Thanks for watching. Bye.